introduced us about various software tools that are going to be used in the data science area. Now I request today's chief guest, Professor KB Chandrasekhar Garu, Vice Chancellor, Krishna University, to deliver the chief guest message. Sir, please unmute yourself, sir.
Okay. The Registrar Krishna University, the Professor Y.K. Sundar Krishna Garu, Professor D. Surachandra Rao, the Principal, the University College of Arts and Science, the Program Organizer, Dr. Kiran Kumar, the Head of the Department, Dr. Vijay Kumari. So today's the eminent personalities, the resource persons, Dr. Saroj Kumar Biswas, NIT Silchar, Dr. A. Srinivasulu from International, that is a Blue Crest University, Liberia. The participants, friends, so good afternoon to everybody. So the Department of the Computer Science, the Krishna University, the starting, the national, the program on the data science application, the using machine learning and deep learning techniques. So a very good topic that chosen by the Department of the Computer Science, Krishna University. So in Krishna University, they started 2008 with the 6 PG programs. So one of the important the PG program is the MCA, Master of Computer Applications. So after that, the Krishna University established the engineering college, self-finance engineering college, offering the computer science and engineering, the course as a BTech program. So overall, the 12 faculty members are the working in Krishna University with MTech background as well as doctorates. So among the 12 faculty members, the 50% of faculties are doctorates. So they established the good number of the laboratories in Krishna University for MCA as well as the engineering students. Recently, the 4 laboratories are established in Krishna University with nearly the 140 the computers and other facilities also provided for students. So the Department of Computer Science and Computer Science Engineering also developing the other laboratories, but one thing, why don't you collaborate with the NITs or other international the universities or institutes for the learning the computer subjects or techniques to give a good academics for the computer science the students, not only computer science students but also other the science background the students also to utilize the facilities as well as some computer techniques to learn and for utilization of various purpose. Here, in the recent times, so almost all of you thinking the regarding machine learning, deep learning, Internet of Things, and blockchain technology. So like that, the so many the different words are observing, because I am not a computer science background, but almost in all platforms or in internet or by mails. So so many the programs, the latest developments in computer science are observing. So these are the very important for every the computer science engineering students to learn the deeply and utilize for various applications. So there is a flourishing future for the data science as the new generation of engineers and scientists are exposed to and start using it in their everyday life. The solution to clarify and distinguish the applications of the data science to physical based the disciplines and demonstrate the useful and game changing applications of data science in engineering and industrial applications is to develop a new generation of engineers and scientists that are well versed in the applications of data science. There is a constant demand for the data scientists in the field of healthcare and pharmaceuticals, telecommunications, internet industry, energy sector, automobile sector, and so on. Each field that requires the data scientists for various reasons, but the demand is the greater than ever. Some of the top careers in the field are data scientists, the machine learning engineers, machine learning scientists, applications architects, enterprise architects, data architects, infrastructure architects, data engineers, business intelligence developers, the statisticians, and the data analysts. Keeping in view of this, Department of Computer Science came forward and organizing this webinar for the students, the research scholars, and faculties of the computer science and those interested in the field of data science to provide insight and knowledge. Hope this webinar will help further in our research and career. And I request to the computer science department to collaborate with the national institutes, NITs, IITs, and other the deemed universities by taking the MOU for the conducting workshops, webinars, and the live the seminars physically, and give the computer knowledge to each and every the students, not only students but also for the faculty members to learn the advanced topics or advanced techniques in computer science for development of the India also, because nowadays without the computer knowledge it is very difficult to survive. And each and every member, if you see the workers also using mobiles, and most of the business people using the computers, not only a big business people, only the small shops also that consist of the laptops or the desktops. So with a meager knowledge, they are effectively utilizing for these techniques. So why don't you give a knowledge to the students and other the people how to learn, how to utilize in application side, how to utilize these facilities for the development of their own businesses and etc. So I thanks to each and everybody by giving this opportunity. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your enlightened speech, and definitely we will make MOUs with reputed organizations and follow your as per your instructions. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.